What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be probably a short one. Um, got the van fuel leak issue fixed today, which is awesome. Big weight off my shoulders, and the beast is back, or Peanut the Beast is back. No, it's. Oh, I also ordered the little window visor thingies where I can leave my windows cracked and no one would know. That should be in next Tuesday. Yeah, so that's that. I'm probably it's raining out. It's supposed to rain, I think, all night. I think today and tomorrow is rain. Rain. Oh, thank you. Sorry. But yeah, got the van fixed. The leak is fixed. Now it's time to, I don't know, find part-time work doing something so that way I can get more stuff done on the van, on the beast. And, yeah, see. It raining. Did a raindrop down the window. Raindrop keep falling on my head. So, yeah. Got the van fixed. I was borrowing my brother's car for the commute for last week. And now I got that returned back to him, and I don't know, see how the weather is here the next day or so. I know it's supposed to rain. I find it simple part-time work, seasonal work, and slowly get stuff. Oh, sorry, rain does this to me. Get stuff done on the AMBO and get other stuff done and get the living quarters changed up. I definitely want to get more room out of there. The battery pack situation's in the process of getting fixed. Talked to the guy I bought it from. By the way, thank you. I know you probably, if you watch, it was the don't judge. The plugs, the 3 plugs, plug something in like a tablet, and in like 6 minutes, it's beep beep beep, and just stops. It won't charge, but everything else works just fine. Everything else charges, runs the fridge, but just that one. So exchange them. Hopefully the new one works. And yeah, I don't know. Just what happens. But rain does this to me. But anyway, that's pretty much the update. I'm gonna start. I don't know. See what happens. Go from here. But yeah, got the AMBO back. She's fuel leak fixed. It was some gaskets. He tinkered and fixed a few other things, or got a few other things worked on. And we'll go from there. So if you like what you see on this channel of weirdness and babbling and yawning and gosh knows what else is going to happen on this weird channel of mine, hit that subscribe button, smash it. Well, don't smash it, because then you destroy your tablet or phone, or just nicely subscribe. That scripts like, comment, watch, all that stuff. So live life, love life, enjoy life. Be weird, because weird is normal and normal is weird, and normal people suck. weird people rule. Till next time, stay weird. And